So it's that time of month again where we're going to show you all our fitting projects of this month. Now, as you know, we don't stop here at Dctuk UK, so we have quite a few fitting projects day in and day out. So I'm going to show you some of my favourites of this month. So let's go. So the first project I'm going to show you is this beautiful residential fitting. This was done in a residential home in a kitchen. Now, if we look at the before pictures, the client had no flooring down prior to this. So it was a straight lay of the Polyfloor Camiro Cambridge Parquet. Now you can just see how gorgeous this looks, and it makes the kitchen look really, really expensive when actually Polyfloor is one of our most budget-friendly LVTs. This client gave our fitters a rating of excellent, and she was really, really happy with the outcome. I mean, I'm not surprised, just look at it. If you want to know more about the Polyfloor LVT range then, just go to our YouTube channel, just type in Dctuk UK and you'll find all our videos there. Okay, so our next project was a commercial project. Now this was done in offices down in London. Now these guys chose to not do the same old boring one colour carpet tile, but actually go for a really cool design. Now to create this design they used the Nouveau Essentials and Paragon Codex carpet tiles to create this really cool grey and red floor. Now you can see on the flooring plan they wanted some stripes going across and then the red squares dotted throughout to just give the office a pop. And that's exactly what they got. Our fitters can fit any design that you want. Just send us over whatever you may have and they can do it for you. And if you're in office and you're wanting something like this, but you want to feel the carpet tiles first, then you can order free samples on our website at dctuk.com. Remember, you can order different samples, it doesn't have to be from the same brand. So like this guy, if you want the Nouveau Essentials and Paragon and you want to mix and match brands, then that's absolutely okay. You can order the free samples from the two separate brands. Now our fitters are very speedy and they completed this job in just one day. And also what's good to know is they can actually work around any furniture you may have. So if you've got people in the office, then we can work around that with no disturbance to the workers. Now this next project is actually really, really exciting. So we actually fitted these carpet planks for Channel 4 News. So I know we have pretty big clients around here in DCC UK. So this wasn't just any old job, this was actually for the media. So Channel 4 News opted to go with the Forbo Flotex wood planks. I mean, if you've seen any of my previous videos, you'll know how much we love the Forbo Flotex wood effect carpet planks around here, as do all of you. Now, if we look at the pictures, you can just see why everybody loves this carpet plank. It looks exactly like wood. If I've shown you these pictures before, you probably wouldn't guess it was carpet planks. Well, I know I certainly wouldn't. You can see that they've gone through these wood effect planks throughout and they've gone for this in shade American wood. The Forbo Flotex wood effect carpet planks offers the look and modernism of wood but the coziness of carpet. I mean, what more could you want? Our next project was in the education sector, so this was actually done in a college. So remember, we fit anything, whether that be education, commercial or residential, we fit absolutely anything. Just get in touch with us today at dctuk.com and we can give you a free quote. So this college opted for the interface transformation in Fern. Now this is just one carpet tile that is in a grey shade, but you can see the different shades popping up throughout, so it still looks really, really cool. Now, as you can see, we worked around all this furniture in the college. So no matter how much furniture you've got in your office space, education or home, it doesn't matter, we can work around that for you. And as you can see, this college was quite a big job, so we can do any jobs no matter big or small. And if you're wanting to book your fitting project, then just go to dctuk.com, go to the fitting section and fill out the form and we'll be with you as soon as possible. Now I think I've saved our funnest project till the very end. So I'm going to show you the design plan first, because as you know or may not know, here at DCC UK we have a design lab service. Now that is where you can create your own unique ideas. Or if you have ideas but you don't quite know how to put them down, then just send us them over and we'll create a design plan for you. So let's check out this design plan. So as you can see, this company was called the Una Group. So they really wanted their name and the brand colours within the carpet. So with this brief sent to us, we came up with this cool design. We writ the Una in the green carpet tiles. And the green carpet tiles was the Huguet 727, and then for the grey and darker grey patches we used the Nouveau Apollo Moon Grey and Galaxy Grey to tie it in with the rest of the carpet tiles. So our fitters can create any designs and copy from design plans too. So I bet you didn't know you could write your business name in flooring. Now you can. And that is my top 5 projects of this month. So again, if you want to book your fitting project with us, then just go to dctuk.com and just fill out the fitting form on there. And again, if you want to create any flooring ideas and make them come to life, then head to our design lab. There you'll just fill out a form and then we'll get straight on the case. But that's all for this month's fitting project. We'll be back next month with my next top 5 picks. So see you then.